Hey guys, here's a quick video on how you can access your English 2 Readers Notebook or how to find your English 2 Readers Notebook on Google Drive or anything on Google Drive really that you have saved. So you're going to go over here to the 9 dots and you're going to click it and you're going to hit Drive. It's also drive.google.com. Anything that you used in the past or recently will pop up here under Quick Access. So you see my notebook has already popped up under here. But if you scroll down and you don't see it, one thing you can do is go to search in Drive and type in your name because everyone should have titled their English 2 notebook with their name. So I'm going to go type in Mrs. Vernon's and you see here it comes up. Okay? Mrs. Vernon's English 2 Readers Notebook. You can click it and there it is. Now, if you really want to be able to find it quickly, all you have to do is star it. I'm not sure why there's not a star here, but you can put a star right next to it. There it is. You can star it right there. And then when you go to My Drive, you can go to Starred. And as you see, it will pop up right in this category. All right, that's it, guys. So that should be an easy way for you to find your English 2 Readers Notebooks. Thank you.